Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share an audiobook in the Audible application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the third option there, which is Discover. And once you're done with that as well, all you have to do here is just search up an audiobook. Let's say you like an audiobook from a popular genre, for example sci-fi and fantasy, and just search up an audiobook here, whatever you like. And if you want to share the specific audiobook, all you have to do is just press on that share symbol in the top of the right corner, and you can share the audiobook in Instagram, or you can just press on more options and the more options will appear to you. Basically all the other options you can share the audiobook with. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.